This is how to fix the error code E9276 on your Worcester Bosch boiler. If it's displaying an error code, it simply means there's something wrong with your boiler. With the Greenstar I-System boiler, this problem is likely triggered by the primary flow temperature exceeding 95 degrees Celsius. First, let's check the water pressure in your boiler. We're looking for this to be between 1 and 1.5 bar. Click on the first link below to find out how to top up the water on your specific boiler. Now let's try resetting your boiler. If the error is still showing after you've pressed reset, then we'll need to look a little deeper, and this isn't something you can fix here. For more advice or to arrange a visit straight away from one of our Gas Safe Registered engineers, just click the Get in Touch link below. If the error code is no longer showing, it may still be worth looking at the root cause. If you haven't had a service in the last 12 months, then we would advise booking a visit through the link below, as this may help to identify the original issue and avoid any further damage to your boiler.